Within aerospace and defense, increasingly we're seeing the need for cooperation among large entities.
We've seen the trend in aerospace to a distributed supplier model.
Things are manufactured where it is cost effective, where there is the right level of expertise to build it.
Today, on any given project, you'll see multiple aerospace and defense giants cooperating on a particular program.
So we had to give them the flexibility where they could reach that same global supply chain. At the same time, make sure in the defense area they have to protect national security requirements.
That's really driving the need for multi-enterprise collaboration in a way that it has never existed before. Exostar was created 9 years ago really as a central aerospace and defense hub for multi-enterprise collaboration. We were formed by BAE Systems, Boeing, Lockheed Martin, Raytheon, and Rolls-Royce.
You need a process to share information, to share design data, to team with those extended suppliers.
The risks today associated with collaboration in general are significant.
Information is being shared with suppliers within United States, but it is deemed export control because that partner who is getting that information may not meet the requirements stipulated by Department of State.
They've now invited those partners and their users inside the firewall. And in order to treat them differently and to manage them differently, they're having to really re-architect inside the firewall, which presents a significant challenge.
What we've lacked is the enabler to allow the secure information sharing.
FormPass, in providing a third-party platform, is able to isolate that risk of identity management. We're able to provide a neutral platform with the right security requirements.
In defense and aerospace, we are competitors in the morning and collaborators in the afternoon. BAE Systems are much more inclined to trust Exostar than I might be inclined to trust one of my peer competitors, and I would venture that the same is true for the others. One could argue security, whether it's security and identity or traditional security, is a business inhibitor. That is definitely no longer the case. FormPass is a great example of technology helping us make a paradigm shift. We can rapidly come together, do our work in a collaborative environment in a secure way.
The key to us was making it easy for people in the companies to use FormPass, which means when I sit in my company, I open up a Word document, I just save the document. If I can save the document so my partners can see it, then it's as easy to collaborate like I'm collaborating with somebody in my next cubicle.
It's built on Microsoft technology, which is well understood both by our user communities that are very familiar with it, but also our technical communities as three different layers of security for various different needs. So I can move up, so to speak, within the same product to a higher level of assurance.
It's actually been an interesting shift from our perspective in hearing the stories, the popular stories about Microsoft having issues with security, yet our model shifting to a Microsoft toolset, we believe we've improved the security, we've been able to better meet our user requirements around security and data control through the use of the Microsoft platform.
All these factors come to play when we start sharing information. Reduction in cost, reduction in risk, and increase in collaboration, which ultimately means I can do things faster, I can do things cheaper.
Through that improved efficiency with the aerospace and defense supply chain, we feel like we're contributing to making the world a safer place.
We also look at the technologies that we have and the broader applicability of those solutions, and we really look at adjacent industries. We're looking at life sciences, we're looking at healthcare, we're looking at higher education as being great places for us to leverage the technology that exists today within Exostar.